Menteri Rangbak ke Jela ukuan rat kesang ma harengkat Menteri badai kemi ia katanat sports ke Sarkar Jela ubak Syaklir Warjri. Ha ke step kendai tarik unaitung Hajar Arfusan kila play Phra ban pedi Paidbah ia ki trofi jong ke Lympung ilek kai Phutbol ke Bashispa Lai Pesau Indian Oil Durand Cup ha State Convention Center. Ka Meghalaya kum ka wei na kinong peniang sngobha ban penlong ya ki jinglek kai na ka ni ka Lympung ka bala rim tam ha ka perthai ka pen I ya ka jing I jongka ban kentiu ya ki ka melek kai kham tam ha ka jing pen kreru ya ka National Games house name Hajar Arpunyo. Kini ki trofi kin poi ru han nongston batura kum shibenta ka jing pen I Paidbah ya ki shwa ban sedang no ka Lympung. Nalor Menteri Rangbak bat Menteri Sports ha ka jing pen I Paidbah ya kini ki trofi lai don lang da Air Marshal Suraj Singh, Air Officer Commanding in Chief, Eastern Air Command, Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik, SMGOC 101 Area, Lieutenant General Mohit Malhotra, AVSM, SMCOS Headquarter Eastern Command Chairman, DCOC, bat kiweki officer Shipai. Ka Jingïakhun na ka Lympung Durand Cup kapan sedang nadu ka arfulai tarik unaitung Hajar Arfusan hadu ka arfulai tarik unailar Hajar Arfusan on penlong Hasan Tylli ki Jela kata ha West Bengal, Jharkhand, Assam, Manipur ban Meghalaya. Ka Shillong kan peniang penlong Phra Tylli ki Jingïakhun kan top ka Jingïakhun quarter final bat semi final ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a rousing round of applause as we showcase the 134th edition of the Durand Cup Trophy, the Trial of Trophy, the Durand Cup, the Preston Cup, and the Shillong Cup. May I also take this moment to invite Ali, 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 here we go. Ali, 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 it's time to show. We are the music, we are the sound, we are the heartbeats shaking the ground. Ali, 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 here we go. When Pasha Pratay, he's up and down. La Kuru baby, Raki, Banya, Run your heart, Ya Unseven say, Ya Buram Madrasha.
We are especially grateful to the government of Meghalaya for their unwavering support for preparing the venue to ensure logistical and administrative support. Their role has been instrumental in making this leg of the tournament a reality. I sincerely wish that the state government's plan for the tour for the three iconic trophies to the footballing loving areas of Meghalaya will inspire the young generation to pursue this amazing aim. A special word of appreciation to the state government for generously hosting the invited foreign team pro bono, reflecting their hospitality and global outlook for this beautiful state. Shillong will host 4 exciting teams this year. The Malaysian Services team, representing our valued friends from across the seas and adding international flavor. Northeastern United Football Club, the defending champions. Local favourites, Shillong Mail Football Club, with their proud legacy, and Rangdajay United Football Club, another pillar of football in Meghalaya. All matches will be played at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, which has been so meticulously and painstakingly prepared for the occasion. The tournament kicks off on 26 July, followed by league matches on 29 July, 2nd, 5th, 8th and 11th August. Shillong will also proudly host one of the quarter-final matches, promising a high-stake football for the fans. And should one of our teams qualify for semi-finals, we will bring the semi-final match also to Shillong. The Indian Army has been synonymous with the Durand Cup for decades. Our association with the tournament is not merely organization, it's a reflection of the Army's core value of excellence in management, unbiased conduct, transparency, and strict adherence to timelines. The Durand Cup continues to be conducted on a no-profit, no-loss basis, ensuring that the focus remains purely on promoting football, fair play, and nurturing talent.
To host this Durand Cup, the 134th Durand Cup, where we will be seeing one of the groups for the league matches which will be held here. There will be close to 8 matches which will be played in Shillong. And all this has been made possible because of the armed forces having selected Shillong as one of the locations, and also because of the hard work of the officials from the sports department, our sports minister, and all the stakeholders involved in preparing the venue, which I can tell you has not been very, very easy or very simple for us. I still recall last year, even to the last moment, we were still struggling to make arrangements because small problems kept creeping up. But our officials from the armed forces kept up their confidence, had the trust on our officials and our team. And our team also delivered by ensuring that they worked day and night. And we had a very, very successful season last year, where I can proudly say that Shillong was maybe one of the best hosts in terms of the field, in terms of the arrangements, and most importantly in terms of the fan turnout that was there. I can confidently say, if not the best, Shillong was one of the best locations, and I'm sure that many of the officials will agree with that. And I can assure you that this year also will be the same. We expect more response, in fact, from the people. We have more local teams this time participating, so that makes it even more, more engaging for the fans, the football fans of Shillong and of the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, we expect a huge turnout this time also, and we are making special arrangements to ensure that the Jingïakhun Stadium, which may not have the necessary capacity to host all the fans, we are ensuring that this time the fan parks that we had created at the last moment last year, because we had a demand for 1 lakh tickets last year during the match, in the semi-finals, and that time we could not host all the fans, and hence we created fan parks. But this time we'll ensure that we are able to create the fan parks in a much more better manner, in a much more better location, and so that the fans can actually enjoy every match that is going to be held here in Shillong. Friends, as you're aware that Durand Cup is, of course, a very, very prestigious tournament and a cup, and is the oldest football tournament in Asia, and as I was mentioning earlier, the 5th oldest in the entire world. And therefore it's a very, very prestigious tournament, and more importantly, as was mentioned earlier also, that it is not just about the sport, but it is more of a tribute and a connection and our commitment towards our armed forces. And this is a tournament that connects sports with the commitment of our armed forces. And this is really what makes this tournament very, very special and very different from any other tournament.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat badak kabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jingim bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modern ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.